Yo, what's good? Superstar here, back with another video. However, for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to braid your hair. Anyways, the first thing that you obviously need to do is brush it all up. Now that my hair is all brushed, I'm just gonna part them into 3 sections. So, if you guys have trouble trying to even everything out, the first thing that you gotta do is split your hair in half. Just like that. And then you just have to split these 2 sides in half. Make sure the line is straight. Otherwise your braid won't come out so pretty, honey. Alright. So now that it's parted into 3 sections, what you need to do is you need to first start with the right side. Never! And I'm telling you, never start with your left. Because it's just bad luck and you will not look gorgeous. So just start with your right side. Go to the left and twist. Now that you twisted it, you gotta move on to your left side. Now, first it gets kind of tricky, but you gotta learn how to twist it. So now, put your left side on your right side. Then you go all the way to the right and twist with the middle section. And then you continue this process. Anyways, now that I'm done, I'm going to show you what I do to make sure it looks perfect. I look at myself in the mirror. I see there's some uneven sections, so I just redo some stuff. Look at myself to the side and keep up the process. Now that I'm all finished, I'm just gonna tie it up with a rubber band. For those of you people that do not know how to do ponytails, let me show you how to do it. So first thing you gotta do is you gotta get your hair tie. Put it on your hair, twist, put it again, twist again, put it on your hair, and do it 4 to 5 times if you have thin hair, 3 to 4 times if you have thick hair. And if you have extremely thick hair, you might as well just use a scrunchie. Anyways, now that you put it on, you don't just leave it on like this. No, it's gonna fall off your hair. You have to tighten it. And it's not only gonna stay on your hair, but it's also going to make those braids nice and gorgeous. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much. And if you enjoyed this little tutorial, please like and subscribe.